When I started my multifamily investment, I used to look at deals on papers, and most times they look good. The rents were trending up, the market was so hot. And guess what? The brokers did not make it easy for us. They were spicing it up as if you don't get those deals, you're missing out or you're losing in the market. If I may be honest, part of me wanted the deal to work. I know you can read it, right? But later, I got to realize the difference between a great deal and a disaster. Between one or two bad assumptions is the underwriting. A tiny mistake in underwriting, a wrong assumption in your future rent or even your future expenses can wipe out your entire returns and even your investors' trust. Trust me. And that experience is exactly why I created my Mastering Multifamily Underwriting course. I didn't create this to impress people, but I actually created this to protect them. This particular course teaches you how to think and not really how to use Excel. So if you're wondering if underwriting is all about knowing math, you are in for a surprise. This course will help you underwrite like an owner, not just like an analyst. Discover risk before it shows up in real life. Stress test deals instead of hoping they work. And to make confident decisions. If you cannot explain your assumptions right, then you shouldn't be doing the deal. The current price for this course is almost as good as free, but you only have the opportunity to get your spot between now and the end of February. And after that, the price will go up. So now if you've been thinking about getting serious with multifamily, now is the moment. This course is actually for both limited and general partners. So if you're thinking of investing in multifamily, that is, you are thinking of investing passively, or if you're thinking of being active, that is, you want to start buying properties and operating them yourself, this course is definitely for you. If you think because you are investing passively, that is, you are giving your money to an operator or a sponsor to invest for you and give you distributions every time or returns, means that you don't need to learn what underwriting is all about, then you are in for a big surprise. So many people lost money just recently, just like how I felt that deals were very beautiful on paper. For some of you on pitch deck, because there's this thing that they give to you, pitch deck, you might think that that is what it's all about. No, it goes beyond that. So if you're a limited partner or a general partner, you don't want to miss this. The course is for 3 months, 6 months, and annually. So you have the opportunity to pick anyone you want. So see you all in the next class. Bye-bye.